Welcome to Gokul Global University. Gokul Global University and Ansaba College of Engineering provide a video lecture for a student. Today's topic based on corona effect on transmission line. Subject name Electrical Power System 2. In this topic we study how the corona effect on transmission line take place, what is the advantage of corona effect, what is the disadvantage of corona effect, how we can reduce corona effect on transmission line, and different definition regarding to corona effect. Let's go. First of all, introduction regarding to corona. When a alternating potential difference is applied across two conductors whose spacing is large as compared to their diameter, there is no apparent change in the condition of atmospheric air surrounding the wire if the applied voltage is low. However, when the applied voltage exceeds a certain value called a critical disruptive voltage, the conductors are surrounded by a finite violet glow called a corona. The phenomena of violet glow, causing noise and production of ozone gas in overhead transmission line is known as a corona. So what happens if the diameter, if the spacing between two conductors is less than, the diameter of the conductor, so what happens? So the air between two conductors is ionized and start to sparking. This is called a corona effect, and violet glow and humming sound is present. Next, if a conductor are polished or smooth, the corona glow will be uniform throughout the length of the conductor. Otherwise, the rough point will appear bright. With DC voltage, there is a difference in the appearance of two wires. The positive wire has uniform glow about it, while the negative conductor has spotty glow. In DC, positive wire has uniform glow about it and negative conductor has spotty glow. Theory of corona formation. Now we know that in the air particle some ionized particle also there. So some ionization is always present in air due to cosmic ray, ultraviolet radiation and radioactivity. Therefore, under normal conditions, the air around the conductor contains some ionized particles. That means free electron and positive ion and neutral molecules. When potential difference is applied between the conductor, potential gradient is set up in the air, which will have maximum value at the conductor surface. Under the influence of potential gradient, the existing free electron acquire greater velocity. The greater the applied voltage, the greater the potential gradient and more is the velocity of free electron. Now, when we increasing the potential difference across two conductors, the ionized particle like positive ion, free electron start to moving and it accelerate, its velocity also increase. When the potential gradient at the conductor surface reaches about 30 kilowatt per centimeter maximum value, the velocity acquired by the free electron is sufficient to strike a neutral molecule with enough force to dislodge one or more electron from it. This procedure, another ion and one or more free electron, which is turn or accelerate until they collide with other neutral molecules, thus producing other ion. Thus, the process of ionization is cumulative. The result of this ionization is that either corona is formed or spark take place. Now what is the factor affecting corona? Atmospheric, conductor size, spacing between conductor, line voltage. The phenomena of corona is affected by the physical state of the atmosphere as well as by the condition of the line. The following are the factors upon which corona depend. First, atmosphere. As corona is formed due to ionization of air surrounding the conductor, therefore it is affected by physical state of atmosphere. In the stormy weather, the number of ion is more than normal, and as such corona occurs at much less voltage as compared with fair weather. We know that at 30 kV per centimeter potential difference, the air is ionized and take a spark. So if the atmosphere is stormy weather, the number of ion is more, so there is a less voltage required for taking place a corona. In a summer, the number of ion is very less, so at that time the voltage required for produce a corona is very less, and the voltage required for produce corona, at which voltage the corona take place, is called a critical voltage. So atmosphere also effect on corona. Now next, conductor size. The corona effect depend upon the shape and condition of the conductor. The rough and irregular surface will give rise to more corona because unevenness of the surface decrease the value of breakdown voltage. Thus a stranded conductor has irregular surface and hence give rise to more corona than a solid conductor. Third one is spacing between conductor. If the spacing between the conductor is made very large as compared to their diameter, there may not be any corona effect. It is because larger distance between the conductor reduce the electrostatic stress at the conductor surface, thus avoiding a corona formation. Line voltage. Fourth one, the line voltage greatly affect corona. If it is low, there is no change in the condition of air surrounding the conductor and hence no corona is formed. However, if the line voltage has such a value that electrostatic stress develop at the conductor surface make the air surround the conductor conducting, then corona is formed. See, as we know, voltage, if you increase the voltage, the stress on the conductor increase, and the potential difference between two conductor also increase. If potential difference increase, then the stress on air between two conductor also increase, so air starting to ionize and spark take place, so corona effect also take place. Now one definition, critical disruptive voltage. What is the meaning of critical disruptive voltage? It is the minimum phase to neutral voltage at which corona occurs. Consider two conductors of radius r centimeter and spaced d centimeter apart. If V is the phase to neutral potential, then potential gradient at the conductor surface is given by G is equal to supply voltage V, phase to neutral, r radius of the conductor, log E d by r. D means d represent diameter and r represent radius, and units is voltage per centimeter. Now in order that corona is formed, the value of G must be made equal to breakdown strength of air. Now the breakdown strength of air at 76 centimeter pressure and temperature of 25°C is 30 kV per centimeter maximum, or 21.2 kV per centimeter if we are considering a RMS value, and is denoted by G0, is represented by G0. If V is the phase to neutral potential required under this condition, then potential gradient G0 of surface, conductor surface, represented by Vc by R log E d by R, where G0 is equal to breakdown strength of the air at 76 centimeter of mercury and 25 ounce Celsius normal temperature. The value of G0 is 30 kV per centimeter for maximum value and 21.2 kV per centimeter for if we are taking a RMS value. Now, critical disruptive voltage. From this equation, we make a Vc as a subject. So, Vc is equal to G0 R log E d by R. So, Vc is called a critical disruptive voltage. Now, one more thing, the atmosphere also effect on corona effect. We see that the above expression for a disruptive voltage is under a standard condition. That means 76 centimeter Hg at 25 ounce Celsius. Now one air density factor considered in this equation. This is air density factor and is represent a atmospheric condition. Under a standard condition, value of D is equal to 1. Now we multiply delta with this. In this equation, critical disruptive voltage Vc is equal to G0 into del into R log E d by R. Now one more thing, one factor, correction must also be made for the surface condition. If the conductor surface is rough, smooth, all these conditions we take in this equation. This is accumulated for multiplying the above expression by irregularity factor M0. We multiplying for a surface condition, we multiplying this equation by M0. M0 is equal to 1 for polished and smooth conductor, 0.98 to 0.94 for a rough condition. Okay. So if we take a M0 value for 0.96, 97, 94, so we take a critical disruptive voltage very low value is compared to smooth conductor. Next, visual critical voltage. It is the minimum phase to neutral voltage at which corona glow appear all along the line conductor. Now what is the difference between critical disruptive voltage and critical visual voltage? So in critical disruptive voltage, the corona effect start to take place, but at the critical visual voltage we see the effect of corona on a transmission line. Violet glow, hissing sound, spark, all these effects show at this voltage, phase to neutral voltage. Okay. Next, power loss due to corona. The formation of corona is always accompanied by energy loss, which is dissipated in the form of light, heat, sound and chemical action. When disruptive voltage is exceeds, the power loss due to corona is given by, this is the equation of corona loss due to power loss due to corona effect. Now equation represent, F represent supply frequency, V represent phase to neutral voltage RMS, Vc critical disruptive voltage per phase, R radius of conductor, D means diameter of conductor, and unit of this equation is kilowatt per kilometer per phase. Okay. Now advantage and disadvantage of corona. What is the advantage of corona? There is a less advantage of corona and many disadvantage of corona. There is two advantage of corona. Due to corona formation, the air surrounding the conductor become a conducting, and hence the virtual diameter of the conductor is increased. The increased diameter reduce the electrostatic stress between the conductor. Corona reduces the effect of transient produced by surges. And disadvantage, corona is accompanied by loss of energy. This affects the transmission efficiency of the line. Ozone is produced by corona and may cause corrosion of the conductor due to chemical action. The current drawn by the line due to corona is non-sinusoidal nature and hence non-sinusoidal voltage drop occur in the line. This may cause inductive interference with neighboring communication line. Method of reducing corona effect by increasing the conductor size. So from this power loss equation we see that if the conductor size increase, the corona loss reduce. How? So see the equation of critical disruptive voltage. If we increase the radius of conductor, so the value of critical disruptive voltage is high. So critical disruptive voltage is high means very high voltage the corona take place. From this equation we see that by increasing a conductor size, the voltage at which corona occur is rise and hence corona effect are considerably reduced. This is one of the reasons that aluminum conductor, steel reinforced conductor which have a larger cross section area are used in a transmission line. By increasing a conductor spacing. By increasing the spacing between the conductor, the voltage at which corona occur is rise and hence corona effect can be eliminated. However, spacing cannot be increased too much, otherwise the cost of supporting structure, example bigger cross arm and support, may be increased to considerable extent. By increasing the conductor spacing also we can reduce the corona. By increasing the conductor size we also reduce the corona effect. Thank you.